Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday. I'm going to just get straight to it. Last night, the Culinary Expedition was in Belgium, where I prepared, I'm going to look at my notes, Carbonnade, Flamande, whatever. Basically, a braised beef in European beer and stock and just goodies. I took it just a little step further and thickened the broth, the braising liquid, and served it over mashed potatoes. The braise was 2.5 hours. The house and kitchen smelled wonderful. That's what happens when you get onions and garlic and good old spices cooking for, excellent. All right. The Culinary Expedition continues today. That's 2 days in a row. I know. Today we are going to El Salvador, where I'm going to prepare a very simple but traditional dish, Salvadorian Pollo Encebollado. Again, another simple dish. So let's get to it. Starting off with a couple boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Half of this onion will be thinly sliced. Some Mexican paprika, bay leaf, butter to finish. We're working with sea salt today. The recipe clearly states for sea salt. Black pepper, ground of course. A little bit of oil, because we're going to fry up these, or at least brown these wonderful thighs. Some white cooking wine, lime juice, and this empty little bowl represents fresh cilantro, which I will pick up from the market this morning. I will be serving this Salvadorian dish with my rice pilaf. This will be turned into a cooking demo. I'm actually enjoying doing the cooking demos. I know they're longer to watch than the regular pictorials, the pictorial of the creation, but I enjoy them, and I hope you enjoy them and get something out of them more than you can just by looking at pictures. So on this Tuesday, which happens to be Taco Tuesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.